Hello friends, and welcome to Good at Voice with the Tara Sampson Voice Studio. I'm Tara Sampson, and today I have put together some exercises that are perfect for the solfege novice. Let's talk about music. First, if you haven't seen my Intro to Solfege video, go ahead and check that one out. It'll explain a step-by-step process for finding your notes. Now, let's first sing through your solfege in a C major scale. Join me. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, di, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Great. Now we will do 3 listening exercises. I will play 3 notes and you will try to figure out what notes were played in terms of solfege. I will give brief explanations of how to solve it after giving you a little time to think. Here we go. Number 1, here is your do, do, and here are your 3 notes. Once again, here's do, here are your notes. And one more time, here's do, here is your sequence. All right, my friends, if you haven't solved it yet, go ahead and pause the video till you can figure it out. You just heard mi, re, do. So the first thing to ask yourself is the first note I'm hearing the same as do, higher than do, or lower than do? Then decide if it's a big jump in that direction, a medium jump, or a small jump. Now, do to mi is going above do, and then it's a medium to small jump. So you can eliminate all those higher notes. Really from around so up, it's pretty obvious that this note is lower than all these. Now, simply sing up your scale to around so, to where you can tell it's definitely too high, and listen to see if you can find your note. If here was the note we're listening for, we would just sing do, re, mi, fa, sol. So feels a little too high. Now we know it's re, mi, or fa, because we already decided it was above do. Do, re, mi, fa. And we found mi. Once you find mi, simply follow the same process, going from mi to your next note. Once you found re, you repeat the process one more time to land back on do. All right, my friends, moving on. Exercise number 2. Here is your do, do, same as before. And here is your sequence. Here's do again, and your sequence. And one more time, here's do, and your sequence. Wonderful, everyone. If you still need a moment to decipher those pitches, go ahead and pause the video here, because this one's a little tricky. We repeated a note in this one. You just heard so, la, so. We use the same process of elimination for identifying our first pitch, so. Then we heard a note going up, but not by very much. When in doubt, hum it, sing it on an ooh and ah, whatever vowel you like. And that can usually help you determine if you're not sure if it's a big jump or a small jump, or if you're not sure if it's moving up or down. Go ahead and sing it aloud, and it'll usually give you the indication you need. So we know we're going up, but not by very much. What note is above so, but not very far away? La. Then we have to listen very closely to hear that we are returning to that starting note. Again, when in doubt, hum it out. All right, my friends, last but not least, exercise number 3 today. Here is your do. Again, the same as before. Do. Here is our sequence. Here's do. Here is our sequence. And one more time. Here's do. Here is your sequence. All right, everyone, if you still need a little more time, please pause the video. I'd love for you to see if you can figure it out all on your own, because we just heard fa, mi, hi, do. Again, it's the same step-by-step process to decipher your pitches here. Fa to mi can be particularly challenging, being that it is only a half step. That's the smallest interval we have in Western music. These notes will be really important to hone in on as you work, so your ear is as tuned in to those teeny little half steps as possible. Now, we heard that teeny little jump from fa to mi, and then we could tell it was a nice big jump to that higher note there. So, same process, sing it aloud, sing through your scale, and eliminate notes as quickly or as slowly as you need to. If you're not sure, sing it aloud. I know it feels silly sometimes, but that's really the best way, because you can physically feel what movements are happening there, and you'll only get better and better at it. All right, my friends, wonderful work today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. And as always, keep singing.